Here is how we can capture a macro photo on the POCO C85. Unfortunately, there is no dedicated button or option or even dedicated macro camera that would allow you and help you with capturing a macro photo. However, what you can do instead is you can simply point at the subject that you want to capture. So let's say I'm gonna use this car toy as an example. And over here, what we can do is we can use a little bit of zoom. And of course, we can try to keep the camera as close as possible, as long as there is enough focus, as the photo can, of course, can become blurry if you keep the camera too close. And with this little trick, we should be able to capture a somewhat decent macro photos, just like that. And there we go. This is how it looks like. I think it's pretty good. Of course, the more zoom we use, then the worse the quality can be, at least in theory. So you should avoid using high zoom values because it will just not look that great. So instead, try to stick with something between like maybe between 1 and 4x or something like that. I think 4x still looks quite good. So you can try to do that. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.